Hi, everybody. This is Charlene. I am coming to you from my home office in Wisconsin, where I live with my husband and my two daughters. And I wanted to talk with you a little bit about a system that is generating income online for a lot of new people that haven't been able to earn a single dollar online before. But before I go into that, I want to talk to you a little bit about some of my past background and kind of what's brought me to this point. I used to be a traditional business owner. So by that meaning, I owned a brick and mortar store down the street, always looking for customers. That business was when movies and games and things were really good. So I rented movies and games, and then we also had a take and bake pizza in there. And that was a good business for a lot of years until, as you can imagine, technology and things had changed. But through that journey, I started to understand a couple of things about business. That was really my first business. My parents were always business owners, but you don't quite understand it until you get into that situation. So a couple of things is what happened to me was I had a very successful business. The economy took a turn for the worse in 2008, and I had a ton invested. I had a bunch of real estate that went from being worth $1 million to $500,000 overnight. So pretty much everything that we had worked for up until that point was really gone. But what I started to learn was in business, you have a lot of overhead. You have either a mortgage or you're renting some sort of building. You have employees, so you have a lot of headache with employees, people not showing up for work, a lot of drama, things like that. You have insurance, you have workman's comp, you have maintenance, and I did this by myself as a single mom with young kids. So it was very, very challenging, but again, I did very well for a long time until, the mid 2000s when the technology started to change and, the economy in 2008, 2009 was really, really bad. So fast forward to about 2012, we decided to call it quits. We just, couldn't keep it running any longer. And but what I learned in that business was not just the overhead and the expenses, but I learned a lot about leverage. Leverage is important because as a business owner, I knew that when I was successful, I could have employees working for me. And I was still open and I was still generating an income, but I wasn't working. That's the power of leverage as a business owner. So when I was in business, I started to understand that concept and I wanted more of that, but I wanted the time freedom that came along with it as well. And when you are a traditional business owner, you are married to that business. You don't get to take a break. Somebody calls in sick, you are going to work. There were many days I would go to work and I'd be puking in the bathroom because I had the flu so bad. You don't get time freedom, but I knew network marketing could give me that. However, so I started a couple of network marketing companies and never saw a lot of success. Great products, partially because I was very busy. And I didn't like being away from home any more than I had to be from home because when you're in network marketing, a lot of times you're having parties, you're having shows, you have a booth at this facility, for a weekend, and you have inventory. And I was talking with a lot of family and friends, and you do eventually run out of family and friends. And I just couldn't keep that network going, so, I would try something else. However, those didn't work. And then, after I closed my business, I went back to corporate America and I work in sales, so like account management kind of thing. And I still had the burning desire to be self-employed. And that's when I discovered online marketing. So it kind of had the same concept as network marketing, except I didn't have to carry inventory and I didn't have to sell to friends and family. And I didn't have to have a building. I didn't have to have employees. I didn't have to have insurance, but I could still create the leverage that I wanted. And this is all great in theory, except there are a lot of online marketers out there who have great systems. Their systems are fantastic, but they don't give you the training that you need, and they don't help you with what you need, and they don't give you the track to run on and show you step by step. A lot of these programs have training, but you're supposed to go through the training and then kind of figure it out on your own. And I never had anybody to truly help me. So I've started 3 or 4 different businesses, and some of them were $100 and some of them were thousands of dollars, where I was trying to understand and how to earn money with this online thing. And a friend of mine was introduced to this program, and the program is called the Power Lead System. And she was having some early success right out of the gates. And so she shared with me what she was doing. And I soon discovered that the team behind me was very helpful. I could ask questions. They taught me what to do on a daily basis. So that brings me to my first point. As a new person, you don't know what to do when it comes to working online. You don't know exactly what the process is. And we have a ton of training in our back office, yes. However, we do one thing that's a step above. Is some of the leaders on my team have put together a 90-day training program. We're in the process of that right now. And it really gives people an idea, or tells them exactly what they need to do on a daily basis, how to do it to make money working online. Once you master those tools, you could go to other programs and make money online. You know, a lot of online marketers, they work more than one program to have multiple streams of income, but you have to master the process first. And that's what I love about this program, is they're teaching us what the process is. Let me share with you just a couple of quick results here. I've been working this program through the training that they're offering for we just started our 4th week. So since early April, all right? And this is just some of the sales that I've had in April, okay? And each of these gold members, they come on and as an affiliate, and they too want to promote the Power Lead System as their primary business. They pay me a commission of $20 each month that they are a gold member. So based on these number of gold member signups, this day I had 2, here I had 2, this day I had 3. Each of those gold members will pay me $20 a month, or totaling here is a $420 residual every single month. Residual is very important because you have residual bills every month. You have the cable bill, your cell phone bill, your rent or your mortgage, your electricity, your water bill, whatever it is, the bills keep coming. So you always want to have a residual element to your program. So how did I get these sales? Well, the next thing that our team really teaches you cannot have an online business without generating leads. So here's a little screenshot of just my leads in the last 3 or 4 days. And this is crazy. And this is, got to remember, this is cold traffic. Remember, I didn't want to be bugging my friends and family. This is all cold traffic. So here, we had an leads. I had 28 this particular day. I had a sale. I had some more leads. I had a sale. This day I had 81 leads. Sale, another sale, 100 leads. So just in these couple of days, I had a little over 200 leads through cold traffic. Cold traffic comes from a funnel that is done for you. It's about 80% complete. We share with you a video and you just have to make a couple of clicks in your back office. Your funnel will be set up in minutes where you can now start driving traffic to that. And we will teach you how to drive that traffic. Okay? That's where being a new online marketer, this system works so very well because it's already done for you. Once you get traffic, then it becomes part of your back office. And this is what your back office looks like. You collect their email addresses. They then go into an autoresponder program because everybody that looks at your offer or your program, they're not going to get started right away. They may need to hear from you a couple of times. So we have a number of different autoresponder programs that you can set up, and the emails just go out automatically every day. This one goes on day 1, day 2. You can see some of them are set so they have 30 days worth of emails. Some of those people are then going to join your team. After they get started, then you're going to start to see the results. You're going to start to see those leads, and you're going to start to see that cold traffic converting from a funnel that's 90% done for you, an autoresponder that's 90% done for you. And you can go in and you can edit all of these emails to personalize them, add a picture, add your website, add your Facebook link so they can connect with you on Facebook. So it can all be modified or not. You can leave it for now until you learn how to do that. But the only thing I have to say about working this online marketing business, it is a business and you have to treat it like a business. If you do not treat it like a business and dedicate time to it every single day, it will not pay you like a business. 2 things, very, very important, is you need to have a goal. Set a goal, a 30-day goal, a 90-day goal. What is it that you want from this business? And then you need to be consistent. Consistency is every day, 5 days a week, an hour or 2 a day. Some people think they're going to get started in these online programs and they're just going to make money and it's just going to start rolling in. It doesn't work that way. You need to work it. If you don't work it, nothing's going to happen. So I do want to be upfront with you about that. I will be here to help you and coach you and teach you everything that my team is teaching me. And you will also have access to the team trainings that I'm telling you about, this 90-day fast track to run on. All of these trainings are being recorded, so anybody coming in at a diamond or a platinum level or above will have access to these trainings to help you get started and to get started fast. So with that, I'm not an internet guru. I struggled online for about a year before I started making money, and actually until I found this team, because they're the ones that are teaching me how to do it. And I want to teach you how to do it. So below my video, there is a link. You can click on it. You can get started. You can text me, ask questions, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am more than happy to reach out to you. I want to connect with you personally. And together we can make this happen. And together we can make money online. Thanks so much and have a great day.